Hello and welcome to my channel. In this vlog, I will give you a math problem. The problem solution has a mistake in it. Let's take the problem and the solution, and at last I'll leave you to get where the mistake was. Let's take the problem. All of us know that x squared minus x squared equals 0, and this is a difference between squares. And the solution of it is x minus x times x plus x equals 0, and this equation is number 1. Also, we can solve the x squared minus x squared equals 0 by taking a common factor x. So x times x minus x equal to 0, and this equation is number 2. So we have the two equations 1 and 2 which are equal. Then x minus x times x plus x equal x times x minus x. We can delete this along with that. At last we get x plus x equal x, then 2x equal x, so 2 equal 1. We have an absurd conclusion that 2 is equal to 1. Please can you help me and get the mistake?